Very good day to you all, friends. My name is Said Zokai Arani, and today I'm here with another training to show you how to have a live chat with Facebook support team. I'm sure that this can help you for your online businesses and any query that you have. Before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos and training courses that I'm going to put it for you. And in case you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Let's start. First of all, you need to log into your Facebook account. Go to facebook.com. In facebook.com, you can see that your page and everything, all the information in Facebook account. Right on the top, there is an arrow which is the account. You need to open that account and click on the help and support. In help and support, you will click on help center. This is where we are going to find our assistant from Facebook. It will open a new tab for you. When you open a new tab in help center, you can see different topics here that you can go through it in case you have login and password problem or privacy issue, account setting, or anything about pages or marketplace. But what we are going to look for it now is not these items. We are going to looking for a live chat support. So what we need to do, we need to go to Visit Business Help Center. To be able to have access to this, you need to be registered under the business.facebook.com. that I'm sure that you all know how to do it. If you don't know, you can just Google it and find other videos in YouTube channel. You just click on Visit Business Help Center. In Business Help Center, there are also many topics that you can choose which one you want to go and go to the forum and different forums related to these topics and ask your questions from different people who had the same experience, and they put it on writings and they shared it with you, their experience. But what we are going to do now, we are skipping from this part and we are going to find the live chat with Facebook. Then I'm going to still need help, find answer, or contact support. So I'm going to click on get started. So when you get on started, here the new page will comes up and said you need more help. And at the footer you can see, are you an advertiser? Get support. Usually this feature will be available for you if you are an advertiser on Facebook. Those who are advertisers are people who they usually promote, they post, they spend some money to advertise some products or something. So if you are an advertiser, this feature will be available for you, then you can click on it. Or and there are other items that do you use audience network, you can get support. But right now, since you are an advertiser, we go to get support from advertiser here. When you click on this item, it's a pop-up is coming and it said okay, chat and wait until 3 minutes, because usually they are busy, so they give you minimum 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Then you only need to click on the chat, so this page will be open for you. Contact support, and then in contact support you will receive this form that you need to fill it up. So first you type your name, your number, your email, and then in the next part there are some items that you need to select. For example, if you are an owner of your business, you just click on I'm an owner. If you are doing in behalf of someone, you can just that I'm a friend of someone, or I'm doing something for someone else, or I'm representing another business. You just click what you are doing. It's very important that you fill all this information that you have. Another one is very important, another question that is mentioned, are you following up an existing case? You should say yes or no. If it's not existing, it's a new case, you can just click no. But if you have an existing case that you had a chat before, you want to follow it up, you just click yes, and then you will click on which item are you following up. Right now we are going to open a new case. I'm selecting no. Then here we'll ask, okay, what is the question about? My question, it can be part of this topics, but for example, is if I have any problem with ad account, any policy or disapproved ad that I have, ads inquiries, billing, COVID-19, Facebook business suite, Instagram pages, and reporting and insight. All of them, they have their own help and their own related people that they can assist you. So it's better for you to select the most relative topic with your queries. Right now I'm going to Facebook business suite. So okay, I have a problem with my Facebook business. For example, my Facebook business is hacked and I need to follow it up. On the next part, there is a business ID that you need to be able to put your business ID, that which business ID are you using. If you don't know how to use your business ID, just click on this help and then it will show you how to go to your business body. As you say, it said go to business setting, just you can go and follow. You need to go to your business setting. After you went to your business setting, then you need to go to the setting. For example, the business setting that you need to go, you go that side, or I'm going to type it that business and show it in the shortcut. I'm going to my business account, then I'm going to my business account. This is my business Facebook suite. Then let me confirm this one. Okay, then here at the bottom there is a setting. You just go to setting, and in setting you can see the business ID is also here at the top. But when you go to business setting, also you can find it in your business contact info, that you can see this is your business ID. You see, you can copy it from the URL, from your URL directly, or you can copy from here. Now let me copy it from here, and then I'm going back to where I was for getting help and posted my business ID. Then there is a question that what is your Instagram account? If your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook account, you just go and click on your Instagram account to be able to mention the name of your Instagram account. Then is the time for typing your question and queries. That what is your question and queries? I'm going to say, okay, my account hacked. This is the topic and the description for that. You can go and type it, whatever it is. For example, I'm going to type that, okay, I need assistance for my Facebook ad account which has been hacked last week, and just select start chat. After I select the start chat, a new window will comes up and you will be able to chat through the messenger with the help and support system support team. So I'm not going to click on this one. I think you guys can go through it and just start communicating, since I don't have any queries to share. So I don't want to bother the team because they're very busy and they just assist in case there is any emergency. Thank you so much, friends. Hope this training can help you, and please don't forget, if this is helpful for you, just like it and share it with your friend. And if you don't mind, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.